In this video, I'm going to share a simple conditional formatting rule with you. So for example, I want to highlight every store which is present in this whole grid anywhere. So how we can actually highlight them? If I just write simple formula, X match formula first, and the lookup value is H3 value, my lookup array is the whole grid, and match move to 0, this function will return an error because Xmax function only supports single column. What if I just write to column function, for example, and I just select all of the array and hit OK? This will convert the whole grid to a single column. Now what we need to do, we just need to convert this N4 to S8 to a single column. So we will just write to column function here, close the bracket and hit enter. This will return me 9. For example, 761 is present on 9 position anywhere. So don't worry about the position. If we just write greater than 0, it will return me a true. If I just delete this one, it will return me NA, and if I write anywhere 761, it will return me true. What we need to do, since we apply this conditional formatting to this whole column, so we just need to log this to absolute reference. So I will click and hit F4 key, and this will convert to absolute reference. Now we just need to simply copy this whole formula, select my range, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use formula to determine, copy paste your formula, just go to format and let's say apply this yellow color, hit OK, and this will apply conditional formatting anywhere. So for example, if I just write anywhere 307, this will highlight 307. Even if I write 2 times, this will highlight. So anywhere if I write 1040, this will highlight 1040. So this is how you can look up multiple column and apply conditional formatting to a single column. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.